Hi friends, today we'll discuss about what is public limited company, private limited company, and what is the difference between a public company and private company. What is a company? The company is an association of people who wants to do certain business activities with having a legal existence. Means if you are doing a business individually, it will be a sole proprietor. If two people are working, it is joint. If 4 or 5 people are made a partnership and they are doing business, it is a partnership business. Same way, a group of people want to do a certain business activity having a legal existence. So legal existence means you will have a name, you have a PAN, you have a Aadhaar. For these legal existence, you will get all the documents. So what is public company? Company that is listed on a stock exchange and can sell its security to the general public. Means your company should be listed in a stock exchange. It may be listed in Bombay Stock Exchange or National Stock Exchange. It should be listed in any one of the company. Shareholders can sell securities freely on stock exchange. So in the stock exchange, shareholders can sell, buy the shares, and general public, there is no limitation, anybody can buy, sell public company shares. This is called public limited. What is private company? A private company cannot offer its shares to the general public. So we are discussed in public company. Private company, you can't sell shares to public people, means general people. These private companies answerable to the members and investors. These will be minimum people. They'll have 5, 10, 20 people. The members are invested in this company. Private company answerable to the members only. If it is a public company, they are answer to all the statutory organizations and shareholders. So if company is a private company, the name suffix after the company name is private limited. If it is ABC, private limited, XYZ, private limited. So name will be ABC limited. If it is a private, ABC private limited. Minimum numbers, if you want to open a public company, 7, private company 2. Minimum members, public limited no limit, private company 200 people. This is the maximum member. Minimum directors, so public company 3 directors minimum, private company 2. Shares, public company public subscription allowed, so you can issue shares to public people. Private company not allowed, you can't sell share to public people. Annual general body meeting, public company 5 members should present, private company 2 members should present. Statutory meeting, public company mandatory, you have to conduct board meetings, other meetings, statutory meetings mandatory. Private company optional, if they want they can conduct or it is their discretion. Managerial remuneration, the top management, managerial people. Public company no restriction, you can pay whatever you want. Private company up to 11% of your net profit you can give it to the managerial people as a remuneration. Financial report, public company quarterly they have to publish. Private company no such obligation, it is optional. If you want to disclose, you can close, or it is not compulsory to publish the financial report. Funding, so public company through IPO, initial public offer, they can sell the shares to general public. Private company only private investors only they can buy the shares. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.